The second thing about our mentorship program is the live lectures. All of you have access to your access to the timetable, so you know the timetable already in respect of that. And so the live lectures are going to be coming up. We're going to be having our live lectures, 3 hours for each session. But there are just a few things I want you to be mindful of when it comes to the live lectures to help you to really appreciate what is going on. During the live lectures, yes, you're going to be having principles explained to you. So topics are going to be discussed during the live lectures. Questions are going to be solved during the live lectures. Assignments are going to be given during the live lectures. And you will be doing performance evaluation test, live performance evaluation tests on the call like this. So your cameras would have to be on during that performance evaluation test sessions so that we can monitor it. So on the live call, question will be presented to you. And then on the live call, we spend some time to do the performance evaluation test. So our live lectures, this is going to be 10 weeks for our live lectures coming up. Discussion of the principles, taking us into solving questions. Assignments are going to be given. We do performance evaluation tests. All of this baked into the live lectures. But here is the play. The live lectures will require you to be held accountable. And so accountability is crucial here. What does that mean? It is a mentorship program, not a teaching program. What's the difference? A teaching program is where you just attend a class and that is all. Nobody cares about anything. When it is time, you join the class, you learn. You can't ask the teacher any question. If you ask the teacher a question, the teacher will tell you, go and buy my book. The question is in the answer you are looking for is in my book. You don't get to spend time with your lecturers. That is teaching. We don't do that here. What we do here is mentorship. What does that mean? Mentorship means that it is going to be you being taught, and then you've given an opportunity to practice what you were taught. That is the thing. So that is why assignments are going to be given. When assignments are given, you are expected to do the assignment. You don't come back to the next lecture and say, oh, I was busy, I was this, so allow. Because when assignments are given, scripts are going to be reviewed. Because this is a written examination, we have to review your script for handwriting, thought processing, speed and accuracy, and be guided properly. So it is not just about, I understand the topics, I understand the subject. Are you working with speed and accuracy? Is your handwriting good? Are you able to practice well? Because 99.9% of you are currently working in an environment where you don't write. Everything is digital. But when you get to the exam hall, now you are in 3 hours, you are supposed to write. So for some of you, the only avenue to practice how to get your writing well, to put yourself under the pressure to optimize your chances in passing the examination will be through assignments and performance evaluation tests. And because we spend that time to review scripts, guide people, and provide you with that mentorship, when assignments are given, the scripts are going to be reviewed again on the live call like this. What it means is that if you don't do the assignment, during the review of the script, you will not be allowed to join that session. Because it will be unfair for me to allow, say, Francis or Lucky or Ibrahim to be on the call when I am reviewing Gifty, Daniel, or Alexa's script. Because you will be sitting there and laughing at them when you did not do the assignment. And that is a key thing about our mentorship program. So maybe you are coming from an environment where, you just go to class. No, here you are not just going to class. You are going to be held accountable. Assignments will be given. You will have 4 days out, or so, 3 or 4 days out. You need to participate and do the assignment. Why? Because the people who are fully involved in our mentorship program, 8 or 9 out of 10 of them passed the examination. Listen carefully. I didn't say the people who registered for tuition with us. The people who are fully involved in our mentorship program, in some subjects, 8 out of 10, in some subjects, 9 out of 10 pass the examination. Because the full mentorship program means you have access to the content library, you join live lectures, you do assignments, you do performance evaluation tests, you are going to be helped on a call to have personalized mentorship sessions to help you deal with your problems and provide you with the guidelines you need so you can excel in the exam hall and pass the examination. So if you want to pass this exam, then there is only one thing I will ask you to do. In the next 12 weeks, I need you to be a student. That is all I need you to be. Because ICAG doesn't care about who you are, how many children you have, how many wives you have, how many bills you have to pay, the car you drive or the house you live in. ICA doesn't care. All ICA is looking at is, this is the question, this is the marking scheme, what did you write? So I don't want you to come to this environment with your ego. I want you to come to this environment with the hunger of a student that I want to pass this examination in November. 30th November, when the results are released, I want to check my results and I've passed my exam and take my life to the next level. You can only do that if you are a student. That's all I need from you. You need to be a student. The reason I'm emphasizing on this is because we've had a lot of recalcitrant behavior from quite a number of people in the past. And you will not be comfortable in an environment if you come with your ego. To extend that, for instance, last semester, there were people who were like, somebody posted on their page, oh, we are busy. Look at us. We have to go to somewhere else. Why? We don't have time to do the assignment. And that person has to be shut down easily. Because you cannot come and tell us what you want us to do because you are paying school fees. We are not afraid of losing you. We are here to give people the chance they need so they can pass the examination. So I beg you, just be a student in the next 12 weeks. Do what you are told to do during the various lectures. Do what you are asked to do obediently. Nobody is here to do anything. You will never feel any power play or whatever in any of the live lectures, with any of the experiences with the lecturers or anything. Everything we do here is to shape your thoughts, shape your mind, shape your ability so you can go and pass the examination. So I beg you, in the next 12 weeks, just be a student. Drop your ego. Do what you are asked to do. Assignments are given, do it. There is a performance evaluation test, you can do it, do it. Because all is for you to pass the examination. Imagine November, you sit for the exam and you pass the exam. And you become a chartered accountant. For those of you who are writing your final papers, or you are finished with your papers and then you are going to level 3. How will you feel when you pass the exam? How will you feel? Just imagine. Close your eyes a second and imagine passing the exam. How will you feel like? Joy. Right? Joy. There is no stress. And that is something I want you to work on. Because you will be held accountable. That one I can guarantee you. You will be held accountable. Live lectures, we will solve questions in class. Assignments will be given. You have to do the assignment. The reason is because that is the only way you can identify and realize whether you are doing the right thing or not. And that is how you can then position yourself to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and pass the examination. So for the last time, I beg you, just be a student. Okay? Just be a student. That's all. We know. Some of you drive 17 cars. We know. Some of you take a helicopter to work. We know. Some of you work with the president of the kingdom of heaven. We know. But your ego is not your amigo. Nobody cares about your ego. The ICA 3 hours examination is not about whether you live in a 5-bedroom house or you drive Lamborghini. It's about, this is the question, this is the marking scheme, what did you write? That's all. Okay? That is all. And so that is what I'm impressing on you, that in the next 12 weeks, just be a student. And if you can do that, you have a 9 out of 10 probability that you will pass the examination. And so for that reason, the live lectures, you will be receiving a notification on the WhatsApp page to fill a form and provide your email address and other details to help us to send you the meeting details. Now, when meeting details are sent to you, you're going to see something like this. Give me a sec. Let's see. This is what you're going to see. Something like this. When the meeting details are sent to you. So when you receive it like this, you just add it to your calendar, whatever calendar you are using, whether Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, or whatever calendar. Just click yes and add the event to your calendar. Why? Because it is the same meeting details you will be using to join whatever class. So tomorrow, for public sector students, you receive email for public sector. For taxation, MA, whatever, you will be receiving the email. That meeting details is what you will use throughout the session. So it is not like every time you have a class, there will be meeting details sent. So once you fill the form, you will be notified when this email is sent. The meeting invite email is sent for each class. Once you receive it, you check your spam or your junk or your inbox. Once you receive it, just click yes and add it to your calendar. The reason why that is important is that 45 minutes before the live lectures, you will be given a notification. Then I think 5 minutes to the live lectures, you will also have a notification so you can join the live lectures. Do you understand it? So please note, it is just a one-time meeting that will be sent, and that details will be the same thing that we're going to be using. Okay, so you can actually download the Microsoft Teams app on your laptop if you are using laptop to join the class, or on your phone if you are going to be using phone. Then you sign in with your email address that you are going to be providing to us. So once you do that, everything is going to be in the Microsoft Teams app. And then once that happens, you will be able to just add the meeting details and then join the meeting from the app. Also, various class groups are going to be on Microsoft Teams, right? So the details and everything, when class ends, notification, assignments, update will be given on the Microsoft Team chat for that class or for each of the classes. That is why you have to make sure that you are adding this to your calendar, and then you are also getting the Microsoft Teams app available. You don't have to pay anything for that. It's free. You are going for the free version. You don't pay anything for that. So that is what you must understand about the meeting details. So you are going to be notified. You fill a form. Then you will be notified when the details are sent. Then when you receive the details, then you can add it to your calendar. All live lectures will be held on Microsoft Teams, and you'll be able to join that. And again, right after every class, meeting updates and everything will be available in the Microsoft Teams app. Another thing also is that after every lecture, you are going to be getting summary notes, okay, as well as summary audio notes. So you are going to get access to all of these as well as the class goes on. So after every lecture, you get a summary PDF file, you get a summary audio lecture based on all of those things, because we leverage a lot of AI in our program. This class, as it's going on, there are various AI programs, 2 AI programs running to help us making sure that we get the audio right, and then we get the summary notes also right. So you're going to be getting access to all of these as well. at the end of every class to help you to read and listen to the audio as well as watch the playback of the videos as well. So this is all about the second thing in our mentorship program, the live sessions. So if you learned something from this video, remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share the video so that others can also see this. Most importantly, let me hear from you if there are any questions you have, or if you have any topic that you would want me to cover on the next episode, leave it in the comment section. I want to read from you. If you want to enroll as well in our courses to study under my mentorship for your ICA, ACCA, CIMA, or ICAG examination, you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store to complete your enrollment. You can also send us a message on WhatsApp or call us 050-114-9296. 050-114-9296. Complete your enrollment today to join our community. Let me hold your hand, provide you with the blueprint that you need with the team here. Let us assist you. This is our mission. This is what we do. This is what we are called for. And we have the resources, the skills, the expertise needed to help you to pass the examination. So visit our website, NhyiraPremium.com, to read more about us. Or better still, download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You want to get personal? Hit us with a DM or send us a message on WhatsApp 050-114-9296. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.